Hi beautiful, I am so excited to bring you this Berry Diva makeup from Brow Bar by Reema. This color palette from the Brow Bar by Reema Hollywood Icon Face Kit brings so much fun and color to your look. Let's dive right in and get glammed up together. Create a blank canvas on your skin with your favorite foundation and concealer. We are going to set our skin with the translucent powder in the Berry Diva Face Kit. Next up, let's get those brows in shape with the Brow Makeover Kit. Step 1, let's fill them in with the powder. Step 2, lock those brows in place with the brow gel. And finally for our brows, we're going to clean up underneath with the brow lift. Today I'm using the brow lift as a base for my eyeshadows. This will make our Berry Diva eyeshadow very vibrant. We're starting out with one of the shades in the palette and going in the crease and then blending that out. A fun tip is to mix the translucent powder with your eyeshadow color to give a nice blended fade. We're going to reach for the darker matte purple and tap that on the outer corner and then blend it into the crease. Grab your Brow Bar by Reema brow lift and begin creating your cut crease. I'm just doing a half cut crease this time and then packing this gorgeous shimmery purple on top. I'm then fading that into the center of the cut crease. Now I'm taking our first shade of purple and going under the eye, also using a little bit of translucent powder to blend it together. Who doesn't love a little bit of sparkle in the inner corner? We're using the black gel liner and an angled brush to create an upturned wing that's at a high angle, which will lift our eyes. Next, we're using the Vavavoom mascara and then tapping that off with our Diva lashes. Let's round out the face with a little bit of contour, blush, and can't forget the highlight. The final step of this makeup is the 90210 True Nude lipstick, and you are ready to go.